Slouch a little bit. Looking like I should have put it taller. I should have made it a little bit taller. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Lo or Taisha, whichever you want to call me. I'm answering to it, okay?
I'm putting up fly, even if it's no cameras there. I don't own a Benz, I swear. Ferraris and Lambs, I swear. My life is a movie, my wrist is a chandelier.
And in this video, I'm going to put you guys on to 30 captions that you can use on Instagram, Snapchat, Tinder, OnlyFans, anywhere for your birthday, okay? You guys really liked my old caption video. Y'all really ran them numbers up and I appreciate it. So this video is overdue. I just noticed a lot of the girls' birthday has been flying by, so I was like, I gotta give it to the girls because their pictures was everything, but their captions was lacking. It's okay because I'm here to help you. So I got 30 birthday captions for you guys to use. Be sure to tag me. You already know, once you tag me, I'm in them comments typing up like crazy, okay? So I'm gonna just get straight into it. Whenever I say a number, just replace that number for your birth year, your name. Your name, oh my god. Whenever I say a number, just replace that number with your birth year, your age, etc. Although it's my birthday, I'm the one they're wishing for. Let me just say, when you use this one, make sure you use the right there. I don't need y'all using the wrong there. They're saying Lo told me to use this caption tagging me. Now you got us both looking crazy. I did not tell you to use that there. Use the exact ones that I put on the screen, okay? My price just went up. All this precious only creating diamonds. Season 19, episode 1. Season 21, episode 1. Season 23, episode 1. Don't be that person to be like season 43. I'm sorry to break it to you, Sting, but that's...
It's best if I keep my mouth closed.
Limited edition 1998. Limited edition 2001. Just put your birth year. Ask how a fly girl does it.
Don't worry, you guys. I'm telling you exactly what I was saying in the video. So this week's sponsor is the Louis Vuitton Dupe planner. Yeah, I love this planner so much, being that it's so versatile. And look, it even got the Louis Vuitton stamp for approval. I love it. It's also a mini binder, so if I wanted to take out the planner portion, I could definitely make it into a cash stuffing envelope if I wanted to, or anything. This is perfect for people that want to be more organized, whether in their business or even their personal life. If you're interested, be sure to click the link down below. It's only $85, or just visit the site on your screen because the sale will not last long.
I'm on my worst behavior. Hello? Y'all already know me. I'm not into them horoscopes, zodiac signs, etc. But I mean, I saw it, somebody used it, and I was like, this could probably be helpful for the people. I'm just catering to everybody at this point. Feisty like a lion. You must have forgot I was a Leo. Ooh. More life. Put your birth month. Finest. January's finest. And right here, I'm gonna put a little wow clip. No, I'm gonna put the emojis that you can use that best fits for your month, so y'all don't be out there using crazy emojis. Premature millionaire. That's my realest year. The hiatus is up. No more sweet dreams, more like a hell of a night. Celebrate the muse. It's a national holiday. Pressure. Yeah, I'm still applying it. Don't ask what I wish for. Another year wiser. Hey Siri, count my candles for me.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please repeat it?
Yeah, I took it there. New chapter, new assignments to be understood. Waking up to 21, waking up to 24, waking up to 19, fill in the blank. Number went up, so we turned up. Every age look good on me, but here's to 21. If you don't know, I'm actually 21 years old, so that's gonna be the reference that I use a lot. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, point me to the nearest bar. I wish I would have used that one. I do. The day I glow and grow. A little extra because it's my birthday. Another year around the sun. Want her in the worst way, and I just found out it's her birthday. No, and he just... Oh wait. Bring it back. or he want me in a worse way since it's my birthday. Vice versa. Birthday mode on. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, and don't forget to tag me if you use any of these captions so I can be the first one to hype you up, okay? My personal Instagram is right here, and my business Instagram is right here. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Shalom.
I'm pulling up fly, even if it's no cameras there. I don't own a Benz, I swear. Ferraris and Lambs, I swear. My life is a movie, my wrist is a chandelier. Started getting my Benz up in the mansions, living like I'm the Prince of Bel-Air. Do not come over here looking for love anymore, cause that shit don't belong.